How to delete profile in your Disney Plus account. Now, this process is very easy and straightforward. As long as you follow along through the step-by-steps, then you should be able to remove or delete your profile without any problem. Now, first things first is of course access your Disney Plus account and make sure that you're up and running with the latest version. Now logged into your account. Now head directly to profiles, and these are going to be the options that you'll be seeing depending on how much account profiles that you have created on your main account. Now deleting a profile is very easy. Just simply tap on the pencil icon on that specific profile that you want to be deleted. And then once you access that, scroll all the way down to that option and you should be able to see a red highlighted message that says delete profile. Now that's pretty easy and quick on deleting it. But if you are deleting it and receiving an error code, then simply go to help.apps.disneyplus.com, enter the error code here, and you should be provided with the resolution. And that's how easy and quick you can delete your profile from your Disney Plus account.